Greetings, young chefs and culinary pioneers. Ever marveled at the universe of pasta, where each twist and turn unravels delectable tales? From Italy's sun-kissed fields to your plate, pasta's not just a dish, it's an adventure with over 600 shapes, each telling its own story. Imagine the flowing strands of spaghetti, the playful spirals of fusilli, all designed to cradle sauces and ingredients, transforming each meal into a discovery. So, join us on a palatable journey through the vibrant, twisted, and deliciously diverse world of pasta as we reveal secrets and trace its remarkable journey through history. Onward, culinary explorers. As we delve into the origins of pasta, let's spin the fork of time back to ancient realms where the blend of wheat flour and water gave birth to this culinary marvel. Picture pasta's global journey, becoming a tapestry of tastes and textures shaped by different cultures. Though once believed Marco Polo introduced pasta to Italy from China, it's now known Italy embraced pasta well before his travels. Fast forward, every culture has woven its unique thread into pasta's rich tapestry, with Italy's spaghetti and Asia's noodles leading the cuisine charts. Secret recipes have been key to keeping pasta's legacy vibrant across generations. Not just a meal for the medieval elite, pasta has democratized over time, proving great flavors know no bounds. As we thread through history, notice how the art of pasta selection can elevate a simple dish into a culinary artwork. Stay tuned as we venture deeper into pasta's deliciously woven story. Ahoy, pasta enthusiasts! Having navigated through pasta's storied past and its variety, we're at a juncture teeming with tantalizing decisions. Which pasta will emerge victorious with a classic, tangy tomato sauce? Could it be the sleek spaghetti, the heart-filled penne, or perhaps the spirals of fusilli claiming the glory? With each selection, we edge closer to unveiling the perfect pasta match. Engage in our interactive quiz to crown the pasta king in this savory duel. Every choice you make is a step towards mastering the art of pasta, so let's twirl our forks and herald the next delicious chapter together. And now, we reach the pinnacle of our pasta odyssey, the pasta party. Envision the simmering sauces, the communal joy of crafting dishes together. This isn't just about the recipes we've shared, it's a celebration of togetherness, of tales spun from grain to plate. Tonight, we write our own chapter in pasta's legacy. With each bite into fusilli with tomato sauce or penne with pesto, we embark on new adventures. As we bid adieu to our journey, remember, the pasta world is boundless, inviting exploration, creation, and above all, sharing. Until next time, bon appetit.